एक दो तीन चार एक तक एक दो तक तीन तक दा तक दा तक दा दा एक तक एक दो तक तीन तक दा तक दा तक दा दा एक तक एक दो तक तीन तक दा तक दा तक दा तक दा तक दा आ रहे हैं अभी बस थोड़ी देर में ओके लेट्स गो
India is one country with one socio-cultural unity that it has always tried to spread and integrate within its society. However, there are certain socio-economic barriers that plague the Indian society and has done so for like a lot of years. Now, it is this Indian socio-economic barriers that innocent young children don't really care much about or don't really understand. So it is it's that age group that we are targeting. These innocent children, these Nadan Parinde, so-called Nadan Parinde are people who we are trying to bring together under the the umbrella of cultural unity.
दीदी हमने स्कूल में जब शादी हो रही थी ना तो वहाँ पे स्टेज भी था हमारा दावत है जब करा था दीदी सबके सामने हम दोनों ने दीदी चम्मक छल्लूगा दीदी एक तो रावण वाला का था और एक प्यारी कॉल से और एक में रही जलवा
Students who have not gotten the opportunity or students who have gotten the opportunity of being trained in dance, music, art, theatre are basically being put together under one platform to come together and dance or perform in the same capacity as everyone would have dreamed to be under.
Give me some little shine. Give me some way, give me some little chance, grow up again. Na 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 na, na 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 na. बचपन भी गया, जवानी भी गई, यह तो एक पल में जीने दो.
So I was working with Teach for India and I was in my classroom in Selumpur and I realized the power of teaching, I realized the power of excellent education, and I realized that given willpower and given the belief in the power of individuals, we could really expand this into something that's not restricted to 30 students. And we thought that performing arts is one medium wherein everyone, irrespective of their socio-economic backgrounds, can come together on one stage, and the world really, really deserves to see them.
क्या है कि यहाँ का जो परिवार है वो मध्यम क्लास का है। अब वे लोग आगे तक नहीं जा पाते। विकास जी की कोशिश हमेशा ये रहती है कि ये बच्चा आगे तक जाए, लेकिन वो अपने परिवार में दब के रह जाता है।
वो तो यही कहता है कि मैं मम्मी यही काम करती हूँ। 2-3 साल से वो अपना वो करता है, इसी में मन लगता है, पढ़ने में इतना नहीं लगता है।
आप अगर यहाँ पे मिले हो, आप यहाँ आए हो, तो हो सकता है कि यहाँ से इस एरिया से काफ़ी बच्चे आगे तक जाएंगे। आपकी मेहनत रंग लाएगी, हमारे बच्चों की मेहनत रंग लाएगी।
I think I personally believe that performing arts provide the same kind of opportunities to individuals to recognize themselves, to perhaps self-actualize and to be who they are. And I think that's really important for any education system to be providing. And I think what I really want Nadan to accomplish is this, that in the end of 6 months we do realize that we have perhaps aided the Indian education system, or perhaps explored aspects of the Indian education system which so far have not been explored.
So basically Nadan Parinde is this project which promotes professional training of children across socioeconomic barriers in art forms that they've always wanted to pursue or have been interested in or would want to pursue in the future, provided they get the proper training. So let's see how it goes.